Hello my friends, Danny here, Vacation Florida. So it took me a long time to get posted on this video, but I finally got to it. And as you can see, snorkeling in Key Largo is something else. I'm going to give you some information here and let you enjoy watching the beauty of these amazing reefs. I saw so many cool fish and had a barracuda swim right by me, which you will see later in the video. If you can do us a favor and comment below where you all are from, we love getting to know each and every one of you, and also get your feedback on what kind of videos you want to see in the future. We want this to be a place to come for positivity and sharing the beauty of Florida. So I shot this back in August of 2022 during my trip to Key Largo. I took a charter boat from the Pennekamp State Park. Inside the park you can purchase your tickets, rent all the necessary snorkeling equipment. They have different times during the day that they go out and do sell out sometimes, so plan accordingly. Although I had no problems with the park's charter, I think the next time I may go with a private company outside of the park to snorkel with. I'll let you know if I find any good recommendations. So here's a little information about Pennekamp State Park. This is a state park located in Key Largo, Florida. It is the first underwater park in the country and is named after newspaper editor and environmentalist John D. Pennekamp. The park was established in 1963 and covers approximately 70 nautical square miles, including a 25 square mile coral reef, which is one of the largest reefs in the world. The park is home to a wide variety of tropical fish, sea turtles, and other marine animals, making it a popular destination for snorkelers and scuba divers, as you can see here. If y'all are loving this video, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. In addition to its underwater attractions, the park offers several on-land activities, including picnicking, wildlife viewing, and nature trails. The park has several picnic areas with grills and tables, as well as a campground for those who want to stay overnight. But if you can get a reservation, let me know, because I want to know your secret. If snorkeling is not your thing, you can rent a canoe or kayak. The park also features a visitor center with several large saltwater aquariums filled with sea creatures, and nature videos are shown in its theater. If you have snorkeled here in Key Largo before, please let us know your experience. We love hearing your stories. And if you have not been to the Florida Keys, I highly recommend putting this on your bucket list. So far, this is the best place I have snorkeled, and I have snorkeled a lot in the Caribbean islands. So there are a bunch of different reefs in this park. This one was called the White Banks, and it was so beautiful. I'm not sure how this compares to the others, but I was really impressed. And I really wanted to go out to the Christ of the Abyss statue, but they took us here, and I was pretty happy afterwards. Although next time I do want to go to the Christ statue. Next trip for sure. So I'm going to let you go enjoy the rest of this underwater experience. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to reach out in the comments below. Also, if you need recommendations on where to stay in Key Largo, I posted a link below for the most amazing resort. Please check it out.